How to get more traffic on Google's first page even if you're not number one. 75% of people never scroll past the first page of Google, which is why you need to rank on the first page. But what if you're on page one, but you're just the second or third in the search result? Well, here's a quick hack to get more traffic on Google's first page even if you're not number one. One of the main factors that affects rankings is click-through rate. If you want to increase your traffic, you need to create a more appealing title and description on your page's meta descriptions. Now, the way you want to create amazing title tags and meta descriptions are using phrases and words that people want to click on. You can do this by using words like get, now, try, fast, free. You can also use phrases and words like the date. A lot of times I put updates to content to the current year, and it causes us to get more clicks than the listings above us. Eventually, over a period of a month or two, our listings climb up and it outranks the first search result. Now here's why. If you do a search, let's say family law attorney in San Francisco, and Google notices that everyone's clicking on the second listing instead of the first, what's Google going to do? They're going to flip them around. Why? Because Google is using user experience signal. The user signals tells them what users prefer. If all the users prefer the second listing and Google keeps listing that at number two, what's going to happen to the users? Of course, they feel that Google's results aren't that relevant and they're going to start using another search engine.